Namaste students. Today's topic is legitimacy in Muslim law. A person born in lawful marriage is said to be the legitimate child of the spouses. So the main point in case of the legitimacy of a child is the marriage between his or her parents. A special notes regarding the presumption of legitimacy. A child born within 6 months after the marriage, the child is illegitimate unless the father acknowledges the child. A child born after 6 months from the date of marriage is presumed to be legitimate. A child born after the dissolution of marriage is legitimate. Under Siyala, if born within 10 months. Under Hanafi law, if born within 2 years. Under Shafi'i and Maliki, if born within 4 years. Legitimacy when conclusively presumed according to section 112 of the Indian Evidence Act. If a child is born during the marriage or within 280 days after the dissolution of marriage, the child shall be presumed to be the legitimate child of the spouses. The Evidence Act supersedes the role of Muslim law. The question arises whether the provision of the Indian Evidence Act supersedes the provisions of Muslim law. Opinions are divided, but the balance of authority remains in favor of the Indian Evidence Act. Under acknowledgement in Muslim law does not recognize the institute of adoption, which is recognized by the other system. Muslim law recognizes the institution of iqrar, that means acknowledgement, whether the paternity of his child, which means his legitimate descent from his father, cannot be proved by establishing a marriage between his parents at the time of conception of birth. Muslim law recognizes acknowledgement as a method whereby such marriage and legitimate descent can be established as a matter of substantive law for the purpose of inheritance. Example, we can take a case Muhammad Alhadad Khan versus Muhammad Ismail Khan, 1887. Justice Mahmood held that the time in this case where marriage cannot be proved by direct evidence and too legitimate by established. Muslim law prescribes a means whereby the marriage and legitimacy may be established as a matter of substantive law, and that is acknowledgement of paternity. Right? Thank you so much.